চেষ্টা বছর ত্রিপুরা হওয়াতো থাকতেও কিন্তু কোনো ইচ্ছাথাই শিক্ষা সমস্ত কিছু কমাই তেরাই খানায় যত শিক্ষাও কমাখা আবনে শর্ত বড় মিজোরাম থাংলিয়া ত্রিপুরা হাসতেও তংসিনাই এনে দাবি খায়গা অবনে পরে গভর্নমেন্ট অফ ইন্ডিয়া ইয়া থাকা তারপরে ত্রিপুরা সরকার মিজোরাম সরকার এবং গভর্নমেন্ট অফ ত্রিপুরা পিয়ই বরং ন ত্রিপুরাও সেটেল খাইনাই ইনি কগ্রজাক কগরিকা বরং বসেখাই বাংলায় ও জায়গানি সমস্ত পরিমাণ মানে শর্তে তিনি অর অফিসা চিনি বুবাগরা ও টংথানি চিনি বরক মুয়া চানাই সিকাম মিজোরাম নি বরক উঙ্গই অথচ বরক মিজোরামনি বরক ইয়া অথচ ত্রিপুরানি জাম্পুই হিলনি তিনি মিজো তাকুগ বরণ কোনো সেজামান কগিয়া তিনি মিজোরামনি যে রিয়াং ফিরকনাই রং ত্রিপুরা হাস্তেনি বরক থাংতে থাङै মিজোরামও সেটেলিংगा মিজোরামনি সেটেলিংथानि বরক তङै मैया ফিরক फायगा आ जागायाव তিনি गभर्नमेंट अफ त्रिपुरा गभर्नमेंट अफ मिजोराम गभर्नमेंट अफ इंडियन सेटल खालायरिका बरं हा बागनाय हा तन्नानै आ जागायाव बरक তিনি हांगार स्ट्राइक सिटिं डेमनस्ट्रेशन এবং নাগরিক মঞ্চ নিয়ারণী যারা ফাটানি ফাইনাই বরক সহযোগিতা খাইयै বরক যেখানে তিনি হাঙ্গার স্ট্রাইক आसुमोन आबो आं मिजो ताकुरनो मिजो शिक्षित समाजनो आं कयो जे जों मुया जानाय जों वासुना नानाय बन गभर्नमेंट अफ त्रिपुरा बंनो तरिना नायखा मातनि नाय आबो नरवासुदि आबोनि बागै दिनै गभर्नमेंट अफ त्रिपुरा नों जखन देखायफानो निनि कंगो दङ निनि कन्ट्रोल दङ नों देखायफानो आरो जाम्पुई हिलनि যারা শিক্ষিত মিজোরামनो आं आंनि आन्चलिकभावे आंनि बोखानिङै आं दाबो कबगौ जे बरक नरनि हानि मिजो हालामनि हानि फायै जोंनो जेखाने त्रिपुरा रायजोआव त्रिपुरा हास्तेव हा बांगा हेनि दङै थानि नरक आरो ता केबेंदि आ केबें माने न उथाबि हेनै आनि कबगै नारगैनो कखानि सामाने अराम थाका जतना हामबाय नाय तंनाय र नरक वासुदि गभर्नमेंट अफ त्रिपुरा न कबगदि आसुनो को
Friends, I would like to address one more point before conclude the press conference for today, which is we believe is a very important issue. We came to know that from our volunteers as well as our workers from Kanchanpur and the nearby places of our North Tripura, that our Mizo people is under a wrong impression that if the Bru people are got settlement in that Kanchanpur area or in Jampui Hill area, their land, their culture, their tradition will be lost. Their land will be snatched away by these Bru people, and there will be a communal conflict. Or I say there will be a conflict between Mizos and Bru people. Now we want to clearly say our views that not a single land of our Mizo people is under any threat, neither their culture, neither their tradition. They have full right to practice, they have full right to be there in Jampui Hill, and no one especially can curtail or no one can take away the rights of our Mizo people. And another that we want to assure our Mizo brothers also that the entire Tiprasa are peace-loving people, and there will be no conflict between the Mizos and Tiprasa people or these Bru people, between Bru people and Mizo people. And we have a deep respect towards this Mizo community, Mizo brothers and sisters, and we hope that you will think and you will welcome the procedure, the whole resettlement process of our Guru people in Kanchanpur, as well as the other parts of our country for resettlement. And especially, finally, I would like to, before ending, I would like to pay my regards. I will have to show my deep condolences and my heartfelt respect to the 20 brave souls of our Indian Army who have been martyred in few days back in a fight with Chinese Army in Galwan district of Ladakh, and we are very much in sorrow for the loss of our country has, and as well as we show our deep condolences, deep respect for the family who have lost their ones, and in this situation, we the members of TIPRA are whole and wholeheartedly support this government to take some steps immediately, so that the souls, the brave souls, got justice, that their souls, their lives is not been wiped out or is not been given unnecessarily. Okay. So I think I have covered all these points what I want to raise, and as our senior members have introduced ourselves, and I would like to again introduce Mr. Sridham Devarma. He is a senior member of our TIPRA organization. When you know that Maharaja Pradut is the chairman of our society, and I am Advocate Arup Devarma, in charge of a secretary to this organization, and Mr. Ananto Devarma also. He is a senior member of our organization and a member of executive committee of our TIPRA organization. So now, we are concluding this press conference, and if you have any kind of question, if you have any type of question which you want to put, you can ask me, you can ask our senior also. Is there any question if you have? So we are ready to answer it.